Languages in computer. Okay, so here in the previous chapter you learned about the parts of the computer, isn't it? Do you remember, children? We learned about the desktop, okay, mouse, how to handle mouse, okay, that is pointer, okay. So all those things we learned. But now in this lesson we are going to learn about the languages, okay, in the computer, which language it will understand. Let us see. And how it works, okay, for us, how it is helping to us. The computer cannot work without any instruction, okay. Computer is working very great because of this technology, but we have to give instruction, then only it can work, because it is just a machine, isn't it? We have to instruct it. You have to do like this. These instructions are called software, okay, which is known as, in a normal language, okay, programs. A complete set of programs is called software, okay. There are thousands of programs is there, okay, in our software. Can we empty cassette play a song? No, isn't it? Because there is no data inside the cassette, so it cannot. In the same way, computer also needs a set of instruction to function, isn't it? It forms a link between hardware and the user, isn't it? We are using hardware, is a machine, okay. It is set that you will study how it's working, okay. What are the parts taking part to communicate, okay, children, in the computer. So now software can be classified into two, namely what? System software and application software. These two software is very important to know about this detail, okay, children. Now system software is called, okay, operating system. What, children? System software is also known as operating system. It gives life to the computer, isn't it? Yes. Without this, the computer is dead machine, okay. If there is, this system is not inside the computer, then it is a just empty box. The computer is, our monitor is just empty box. So this machine is fixed inside the box, isn't it? Inside the CPU. Application software is user friendly software, okay, which can go along with the user, okay, children. There are more number of application software available in the IT market. Many software is available because of this technology, okay, which is present in the market. That's why we are sitting comfortably in our houses nowadays. Some of them can write for us, okay, some others can calculate for us, and some can do some other job for us. Like, I don't know how to go to supermarket, it shows direction. So many software is there, children, like this. Like how we are calculating 2 plus 2, we don't know. For example, many math, we don't know, that they are doing very easily, they are operating very successfully, okay. So because of this technology, and we are giving the right instruction to the computer, so they are answering us, okay, because of right instruction. Okay, because we are giving instruction to the computer, to the system. We learned that software works like a link, isn't it, between the user and the computer. Just now we read, isn't it? To create a software, we need languages. Okay, these languages work like an interface between the hardware and the user. So, because of this language only, we are speaking each other, computer and we. That is means we are user. Okay. Now, when do we need a language? When we want to talk with another person. Okay, similarly, computer languages help the user to talk with the computer. Okay, when we need to speak a person, I want to share my idea with another person, then we need a language. You can say a gesture language also, right? And communicate language also. We can share our idea. But in the computer, they need language. Okay? To instruct the computer, we need a language which is known as binary language that you will study right now. Okay, so a computer does not know any language. It can understand only one language called binary language. Okay, children, what I have told you, that binary language only it can understand. Okay, with this language we can instruct the computer. It is made of a combination of zeros and ones. Okay, this language is made by the help of 0 and 1. Okay, we do not know binary language. Yes, of course. Learning it is also a tedious process. If you are going to learn this language is more hectic and very complicated, you can say. Okay, so that's why we are not going to learn this language. So what they are doing, okay, how they are operating, how the user is operating the computer. Okay, so system programmers, what they did, okay, to convert our language into computer language. So the programmers have made a program, okay, which can translate user's language, that is our language, into computer's binary language. Okay, and again translate the binary language into the user's language, because we are not understanding computer language and the computer itself not understanding our language. Understand? So how we can operate the computer? Then it is useless for us. So what they did, the programmers, they made a different program. That program, what it help us means, that program translate our language into binary language, isn't it? Because of this binary language again translate its language into English language. Understand? So that is very high level language. Okay, so these programs are called compilers. Okay, what is the name of this program? Programmers are made a language. A program is known as compiler. So compiler is the basic unit which translate our language into binary language. Okay, the computer's binary language is also called low level language. Okay, the computer have that language, that binary language is also known as low level language. Okay, the programs which are written based on any compiler, is called high level language. Okay, whatever we are saying to computer, compiler it translate to binary language. The binary language again translate the same thing into English language. That language is we are getting, okay, we are seeing in the screen of the computer. Okay, so this language is known as high level language, isn't it? It's very nice today's lesson, isn't it?